Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 11 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add in the surroundings of our model. Now we're going to continue working on this. I want to specifically look after the design. I'm going to pull this back. So I'm going to pull this wall back so that it doesn't interfere with the design. So I just want to make sure. So I'm just going to use align tool. And like that. I want also to cover this up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on model in place and then generic model. And then here I'm going to do a sweep and then pick path. It will be 3D. And then I'm just going to do the surroundings here. And then once you're good with that, just want to make sure that I covered everything. So as you can see, I need it to be here, not at the outside. So I'm gonna trim this now. So everything is connected. And then now I want to go to south elevation and I want to cover this up. So the finish, edit profile, and then I want to change this material to the wall material. So let's change it to clad white. And then now we just need to cover this spot. So now I'm just going to click finish and then finish and then finish again. And once you do, everything is covered like that. So everything is leveled again. So this for this one, it just went over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use align tool. To do this. So that's good. I like how it looks. Now I'm gonna change this materials for this. So I'm gonna use paint again. I'm gonna use something different. So not the appliance. We could use oak flooring. So here, and then let's use this one as well. And then if you notice, I cannot put the paint here. It's because it's an extrusion. So what you need to do is you need to select this again, edit in place, and then now from here you could select the paint and then here you can change it. So anything that is extrusion, you will need to edit the type and then do it from there. Okay, so now it looks better. One thing I notice is I want to change this to a clad white as well. So the face there, let's put clad white, and then let's click it there. So everything will be good. Here, I'm just gonna edit this, and then for the roof, we need it to be clad white as well. But we're gonna paint the top portion with a different one. So let's go and click on paint, and then let's do an asphalt. Asphalt. Okay. This one, let's do it here. And then we're gonna edit this later on. So now we're gonna start adding our design. So now let's click on model in place, generic model, and then let's do a sweep again, pick a path, and then let's pick here, near our mullion, and then let's connect them all together using trim and extend. After that, click finish. So I'm seeing that there's an issue. So what I'm gonna do is trim and extend everything that needs to be trim and extend, all the corners, and then click finish. So now everything's good. Edit profile, and then here we could create a rectangle. Let's use the south elevation to see the look of what we're planning to do. So what I'm gonna do is around 500 probably. And then for the thickness, let's do 50. So 50 by 500. Let's change the material. Let's go to paint or somewhere a different one. Let's do IFIS. Keep both. Apply and then OK. And then click finish. Let's look at it. It will look like that. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side and also at the back. So here we're gonna create again. We're gonna click on this one, sweep, and then we're gonna pick path. Like the edge. Okay, so now let's trim and extend. So this one needs to delete. Pick edges again. And then trim this. So that means it's not in the same plane. So you want to make sure that you're clicking on the edge of the wall. And then click finish, hopefully. So we need to double check it again if every corner has been done. As you can see, there we go. Okay, so there's still more. Just double checking if we probably added a small one, so I'm just double checking. More than one loop. So I'm gonna double check it like this. And let's see. Because from my perspective, I already have it. So I was able to figure out what it is. I just remove one of the lines here and then I click finish. So now we're good. And then same thing, we're gonna create the path, the design of the path. So I'm gonna go to south elevation and do it from here. Same thing there, 500 and then 50. I'm gonna double check again. Click finish and then finish. So it will look like this, but for some reason there's an error here. Let me edit this. Yeah, so I'm just gonna fill that one later on. Probably another extrusion. So I don't know what's going on there. Just gonna click finish here. And probably so far I'm happy with the design. And this design will follow through here. So I'm gonna create a model in place, generic model, and I want it to be another sweep. Pick path and pick the edges. So here I'm gonna trim this. And I'm gonna leave this design like that. Click finish, edit profile, I'm gonna make this 1200 by 150. Click finish and then finish again. Now it will look like that. And we will have our railings right here. We can even extend this if we want to. So that's good. We could fix this now. So let's go to level 2. Save this. And luckily we have this already there. So let's just double click here. And then extend this all the way at the top like that. So the culprit is this one. edit boundary, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a line right here and then trim this. Now when we look at it at 3D, that one disappeared, and now we need to go back to level 2 and then flip this, and then here it's already being shown. We just need to pull it up, and the other culprit is this one. So we need to select the wall or the section. Split face, and then we need to add the same wall all the way at the end, and then trim it. And then go to 3D, and everything is done. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.